Welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Tamai Michelle, and I have a special guest, Dominic, and he is my brother. And what I want you guys to do is like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notifications bell, and comment what your favorite Starbucks drink is, and
what your favorite place to go to eat is.
And let's just jump right into the video. Mukbang, and I'm pretty sure everybody knows what that is. Oh yeah, and Panthers Day sup. Because they lost against the Steelers. Because the Steelers will always win. Because the Steelers are the best team ever. So comment down below what your favorite team is in this video.
I wear this shirt with pride.
But okay.
Steelers pride, baby. That's what you get. Oh
yeah. Steelers is the best team ever. This is what. No. Give me my. No. This is the best team in the world. So he's already started eating because he's greedy. And what we have here is some good old fries. Excuse me. I went to Starbucks, but it was when I was on Harris Teeter, and I have a miniature Starbucks in there. So I guess I went to Starbucks, and this is my second time, I guess. That counts. So yeah.
Technically, you didn't.
Because it's called Starbucks. So what do you have to say?
Nothing.
Bruh. You have to say something.
Something.
I heard something.
Come on. Huh?
I can't.
Why you can't?
Because the door's not open all the way.
I heard it to this. But no. Comment what other.
When you run out of things to tell people to comment. Error.
I have not talked. And I also have a very, very cute background. It says dream in color. I don't really know what it means, but I really like it. It's really cute. Got octopus. What do you have to say, Dave? Your hula? Yes. Yeah, okay. Okay, anyways. Go ahead and start eating. Okay, that's enough. Cappuccino, just like I have here in Starbucks. Oh god, spilling out right now. From Starbucks. I really like this shirt. It goes back and forth. I really like that. Super cute. All night and still get up early, which I don't get it.
I don't stay up all night. I didn't stay up all night last night. Or the night before.
Boy, if you don't.
Sure about that? You sure about that? Mm-hmm.
Yes, I am very sure about that.
Oh, you sure about that?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
Alright, sure.
Yeah. Okay. But anyways,
I said, okay. And then, when we went to the doctor's office, you were sleepy and fell asleep. And that's the truth, sister. Ha! Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Olivia thought you fell asleep.
I wasn't asleep.
Yes, you were. Everybody saw it. You can't deny it.
I'm going to jail, buddy. Sorry, not sorry.
You have to take it.
I really love it.
She's addicted to justice.
Oh, and Claire's. Get it right. I love both of those stores. Amazing. Like, who doesn't like you know what I'm saying? But what's your favorite drink? Fruit punch, Sprite or a high tea?
Sprite.
My favorite drink is like ginger ale or ginger ale or a root beer.
I'm gonna throw this at you.
Do it. I dare you. Nope.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Ah. That's not ever.
Bruh.
Yeah. My favorite restaurant. My favorite restaurant is 100%ly Applebee's. I like Applebee's. And their tacos are delicious. I love them. All of my nails, they came off.
All my nails, they came off.
A lot of nails, yeah, whatever. But we might just wrap this video up because it's gonna take him 1,000 years to finish this food because he's like a grandpa, and I'm already about finished. And this one, it'll be 3 days until we finish the video.
That's
So, so like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to turn the notification bell on. And I really hope you guys like this video and follow us and like our videos on all social medias. Me on TikTok, him on TikTok. My TikTok username is QueenTMR, all lowercase, Queen T, and then an M and an R, all lowercase, like I said before. And
My Instagram is WordMaya. What
is your TikTok name?
Bruh.
And looky there, he doesn't remember it. Sorry.
I forgot. Okay, let me
Take
check.
us a second.
Let me check. Let me check. Okay, check.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright. My TikTok is DomTheMan16.
DomTheMan16, you heard him. Go follow him. Okay? Everybody, we really love you guys so much. And love you guys and peace. See you guys later. Bye. Oh my God.
Could be wrong.